Today I'm here with an agenda. What is our agenda? What is our mission? To make sure our students are number one, confident, number two, well spoken, okay? They should be confident, they should be well spoken, and everything should be communicated. Whatever they are saying, they should communicate it in a natural way. It should come out of their mouth naturally. It shouldn't be like they're coming to, Assalamu alaikum, my name is, what is this? No, it should be natural. Okay. Hello, my name is this. I'm this years old. I'm doing this. I'm in this class. My skills are now well spoken, confident, and well, uh, okay, along with this, make sure they have ethics, manners, and morals. You have to make sure that they must have ethics, manners, and morals, which means no matter who they should greet in a nice way. No matter who they are talking to, be it elder or younger, they should talk politely. They should not start shouting, because nowadays what we are looking at is students, children, our youth, they are more stubborn, they're annoyed, they're frustrated. You, being a teacher, must create an atmosphere where the student is calm, nice, and well spoken. He's nicer to others so that the other learn the same thing. Okay, especially the senior classes. Especially the senior classes. Now I'm saying it over and over again to exaggerate this thing, to let you know the importance of this thing, that the seniors, they create a dominant impact on juniors. That is why they must be good with everyone. If they are beating others, if they are using abusive language, if they are not good, they're not nice to others, obviously the juniors are going to do the same, the pre-students are going to do the same. So first thing first, confident, well spoken, and have ethics, manners, and morals. Now the first thing that we are going to do for this purpose is, of course, you're going to train them for life, ethics, manners, and morals on daily basis. Okay, which means you should discuss things like for about 2 to 5 minutes. You can give a lecture on thank you, sorry, okay, greeting someone, okay, or the importance of saying thank you and sorry. Okay, along with this, there are a lot of things that we can teach. The importance of kindness, the importance of helping others. Okay, now the thing that we were about to discuss is introduction. Now, for pre-classes, for all pre-classes, it should be of about 10 to 12 lines. Now, the student should tell his full name. Not should be it shouldn't be like, my name is Suman. No. My name is Suman Khan. Just like that, they should use their full name. Every time they should say their full name. After that, they can mention their father name. Okay. After that, like, it's not compulsory. They can mention their age, in which class they read, in which school do they read, okay? What are their skills? What are their likes? What are their dislikes? What are their hobbies? What are their long term goal? And what are their short term goal? What kind of vision do they have? You have to see all these things, and you have to, you know, and the point is, introduction should not be same for all the students, because it differentiates as per the individual, because my likings are different from your likings. Okay, so you should know your students, and I'm giving you how many days? 3 days. Pre-classes, junior classes, you all have 3 days. And this is not the same for junior. For juniors, this was for pre, this was 10 to 12 lines, and for junior, it is going to be 100 to 150 words, which mean 1.5 page. Now you must be prepared with a format and you'll come forward. Okay, tomorrow you will come and be prepared with a introduction. You will let them know how to introduce yourself. I have already taught you these things. Now you will convey those things to your students. And then I'll see, and of course, I'll detect your capabilities. I'll see through what you guys are doing, how much effort you guys are putting. Okay? So the first day, they must be prepared with 4 lines or 3 lines. Okay? And they should say it on their own. Of course, we can ask questions, but when we say, please introduce yourself, can you tell me about yourself? There are different ways to ask. Okay? They should know it, they should understand it, and they should explain it. Okay? So this is your first task, and tomorrow we will be discussing the issues that you people will face and how to overcome those.